Have you ever been at a club meeting and asked for volunteers for officers for the next year and crickets? Or maybe you've been at work and you needed volunteers for a big project and nothing. I'm too busy, they say. Of course, we all lead busy lives. But what if I told you that there are strategies you can use to turn those no's into yeses? In my webinar, you're going to get the chance to learn 3 laws of influence that will dramatically change the results of your requests. You'll understand the psychology of these laws and why they work, and most importantly, how you can apply them to your life, all areas of your life. So join me on January 12th so that you can get more yeses to your requests.